Hello everyone. Welcome to your English first class of class 3rd. I hope you all will be fine. Students, today in this video we will start lesson number 10. Okay? So let's begin our class. Lesson number 10, articles. The word a or an and the are called articles. All these three words are known as articles, a, an or and the. Now the word the points out some particular person or thing. Means better this the points out is used for a particular person or thing. Therefore it is known as definite article. But word a or an is used for indefinite person or thing. Okay, about an indefinite person or a thing, not about some particular person or thing. Okay, therefore it is known as indefinite articles. As the points out some particular person or thing, that is a definite person or a definite thing, therefore it is known as definite article. But the word a or an is used for indefinite person or thing. Okay, so therefore it is called indefinite article. He wants a dictionary. It means that any dictionary. But if it is written that he wants the dictionary, so means a particular dictionary he wants. Okay. Use of a or an. We use indefinite article a before those words that begin with a consonant sound. For example, a fan, a dog, a book, a cat, a girl, a table, a horse, a man, a pen, a rat. Okay, because all these words, fan, dog, book, these all words start with a consonant letter and also with a consonant sound. Okay, and all of you know what is a consonant. You know that a, e, I, o, u. These are vowels, and except all these letters, the remaining letters are consonant. So all the words that start with a consonant sound, we use a before them. Now we use indefinite article an before those words that begin with a vowel sound. For example, an apple, an eagle, an ice cream, an onion, an oven, an egg, an ink pot, then an aeroplane, an orange, an umbrella. Okay, so all those words it starts with a vowel sound, we use an before them. Now we use a or an only before singular countable nouns, means those nouns that are singular and countable, we use a or an before them. For example, a table, we never use a tables. Okay, a man, and we never use a men. This is plural form of men, so we never use a before this. Now next one is, we also use the indefinite article a in the sense of one. For example, wait a minute means for wait one if you want to say wait for 1 minute, we just say wait a minute. So a is used in the sense of one. 1,000 people were there. It means that 1,000 people were there. Use of definite article the. The is used with the names of rivers, means before the names of rivers we use the Ganga, the Yamuna, the Nile. With the names of oceans and seas, as Pacific Ocean, the Pacific Ocean, the Black Sea, the Caspian Sea. With the names of mountain ranges, the Himalayas, the Alps, the Andes. With the names of historical monuments, the Taj Mahal, the Red Fort. Okay, so the is used, as you know, the is used for definite words. Therefore, we use the before the names of mountain ranges, historical monuments also, the Taj Mahal, the Red Fort. With the names of certain books, the Bible, the Ramayana. With the names of things being the only ones of their kind. For example, the universe, the sun, the earth. So this is the use of the. Now with the exercise A, we will start exercise A now. First one is, put a or an in the following blanks. So first one is dash advocate. So write here an advocate. Second, dash oven, an oven. Third, dash bench, a bench. A hospital, a dozen, a pencil, a long time, a doctor, an emperor. Here an is used because it makes a vowel sound. Okay, therefore we use an here. An orange, an uncle, and a park. And on next page number 52, next question is dash garden. So a garden, a zoo, an enemy, a queen, a foe, an elephant, an umbrella, a ticket, an angel, a cup, an order, an injustice, a bottle, a pitcher, an error, a saucer, a kangaroo, and a zebra. So complete this exercise in your book only. Now next exercise B, fill in the blanks with A, N or the. First one is the dash Nile is dash longest river in the world. So the Nile is the longest river in the world. Second, the Taj Mahal is a World Heritage Monument. Third, Miss Kavita is a kind lady. Fourth, there was an orange in her hand. The earth moves around the sun. Mary borrowed a book from her school library. The Himalayas are the highest mountain range in the world. One day Seema saw a girl weeping in the park. So write here A and here the. Almost every family in our country owns a TV. A lot of people are coming to the meeting. Okay. Now joy drill. Put A or N in the following boxes. First one is an aunt, a xylophone, a mushroom, an egg, a hammer, an hourglass. Here N is used, although this H is consonant, because we pronounce it as hourglass. Not here H is silent. Therefore we pronounce it as hourglass. So the sound is of a vowel sound. Okay, therefore we use here N. A flower, an owl, an igloo, a car, a uniform. Here U is a vowel, but we use here A. Okay, because it sounds as a consonant sound. Then here an umbrella. Now next exercise D. Circle the correct article. A or an apple. The correct one is an apple, a kite, an owl, a candle, an umbrella, an elephant, a spider, the books, then the moon, a starfish, a bottle, and octopus. Okay, so these are your exercises of lesson number 10. You have to complete these exercises in your book. Okay, so this is all for today. Thank you.